iceberg is nothing but cost of poor quality. Generally, companies believe that the cost of poor quality is 4 to 5%. But the reality is no, quite opposite. When I asked you whether the iceberg is visible, you said it is visible. Now let me reframe the question. Is that the iceberg is visible or only the tip of the iceberg is visible? Only the tip of the iceberg is visible. The major portion of the iceberg is inside the water. Same when a company says the cost of poor quality is 4 to 5%, is it the real cost of poor quality or only a small portion of the cost of poor quality? It is only a small portion of the cost of poor quality. How the water is hiding the iceberg? The company's current system, people, they hide a lot of problems. Am I correct? Problems are hidden. There is no system and mechanism to visualize the problem, right? Deepak, you are saying something? Deepak, you are saying something? Feel free to share your point.
So when the ice break comes out of the world.
Yeah, when the ice break comes above the ocean, it becomes visible. Similarly, when problem comes to the surface, then only it is visible, then only it is accounted. But there are many problems that do not come to the surface. Those problems will be hidden. Am I right? Top management may not know everything. Isn't it? So, rejections, warranty claim, repair, rework, unnecessary testing of the equipments, additional inspection, product recall, these are all visible portion. But there are lots of invisible portion. If you want to see the invisible portion of the iceberg, I must uncover the water. So let me uncover the water. Now do you see the iceberg? The bigger portion of the iceberg inside the ocean? Which is bigger now? Visible portion or invisible portion?
Invisible
portion. Invisible. Same way, the invisible portion of the poor quality will be higher in magnitude in any company. Projects are nothing but problems. Problems are not less. Problems are huge. That means project opportunity is also huge. Huge. Means employment opportunity is also huge. Only thing is, earlier we thought there are no job market. Earlier we thought there are no problem. But now we realize there is a bigger job market. There are hundreds of opportunities for improvement. You should see yourself as a problem solver to get recruited. And what are these problems? When you account the invisible portion also, you understand the company is simply burning 20 to 45% of their sales. 20 to 45% of the revenue generated is burnt within the company. And the company says profit is very thin, profit is very thin. You know why it is very thin? Because you are burning internally everything. If you avoid burning all these things, what will happen to the profit? Profit will be maximized, right? So these kind of invisible cost of poor quality are, I have written here. Probably these, every word here can be a project title. Reducing the setup time can be a project. Reducing the cycle time can be another project. Reducing inventory can be another project. Preventing premium shipment can be a good project for sales team. And improving the OEE. OEE means overall equipment effectiveness. It's a lean tool. And improving the sales can be a project. Preventing, eliminating the waiting waste is a project. Reducing the movement, reducing the excess movement can be a project. Reducing overproduction can be a project. Over processing. See, all of them is a project. Do you want to understand any specific term here? Because I don't want to explain everything. Probably you will be learning it in the higher level. But any specific thing you want to understand from here? Not required? Shall we move on to the next slide?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Either you should be familiar or you should be ready to refer to the Google to understand. Now,